Hello guys, welcome back to Coding with AJT, and in this video I'll show you the finished project of the 8-ball app we will be creating. This 8-ball app contains 3 different languages: Korean, Spanish, and English. It will contain 6 lucky numbers. You can also add your own word, and the link to this exact app will be down in the description box below. This is the Magic 8-ball app we will be creating. It will have 3 modes: English, Korean, and Spanish. They all work the same. When you click on English and push the button, it will say tomorrow you'll be wealthy. Your lucky number is all these 5, and the last one, the flag for English. And you can add your own special word, like awesome. Add the word in, and you can find it. There will also be a home button, which allows you to go back to the menu. You can also change your languages. This is Korean. And you can see that you can also add your own word as well, like awesome. Add your word, and there we go. And finally, the last mode, which is Spanish. This, you can push the button to make it all work, and inside you can add your own word. And you can add your word in, and you can try to find it. So this is the Magic 8-ball app we will be creating. Subscribe and hit the like button to see more. Bye!